Now where have they gone to, our shabby flock? I do wish that they would keep up. They have no discipline, for that is the trouble with the goslings up here.
They're probably tired, dear. We've been marching for an awfully long time.
Well, that's poppycock. Would you prefer to be fly with a shoot out on the march? I think not, my sweet. Steer this way. They're this way.
Oh, excuse me. I wonder if you could help.
Keep walking. In the eyes front, there's a unit moving forward.
Oh, you see, I'm lost.
Oh, there's no excuse for your bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. Isn't that what I always say, dear?
Always, dear.
But you see, I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Oh, you're infantry. Why, that is messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Ah, very well. We are geese, migrants, and birds of passage. We're on a tight shift. Guess it wouldn't hurt to lose our way.
Where are you trying to get to?
Well, back to my mother on the lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw some birds flying overhead a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission.
Well, why is that?
Have you not heard the ground of big pop pop?
No.
There's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while the second group, with guns, shoot them back out of the air again.
Well, the cat warned me about
The cat?
Yes, you see, I went off with this cat.
Oh, his parents probably wanted to get rid of the ugly blighter.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yes, she did, but the cat said that she was my friend.
The cat, that nasty piece of work, the enemy would have pulled your wishbones just looking at you.
You don't want friends like that, dear.
No.
Your mother was right to warn you.
Oh, she was?
Oh, the gun dogs! Oh, you must be starting to shoot again. I'd hoped it hadn't come to this, but I have no other option. All right, at ease. One moment. Company, fall in! I didn't mean literally. Get up, eyes front. Let's have a get up. What are you doing? Get up, eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Now, barnacles. Barnacles, when I said eyes front, I'd assume that your body would be facing in the forward direction.
Sorry, Commander.
Yes, and Pigfoot, Pigfoot, you've trodden in something, and how many times have I told you to mind to your own business? Now see to it and snort. Everybody, at ease, men. We are about to embark on a delicate, not to say dangerous mission.
Oh, it's one of that, is it?
It is a task of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh no, not again. Todd, translation?
His stockings lost his mom. Bless him. And we are going to find her.
Well, that's what he means. Why doesn't he say it?
You can always tell a pompous case by his pigeon's English.
All right, attention in the ranks, attention. We are about to embark on an exercise, the likes of which we have never faced before. You are a fine body of geese, and you'll try your best. Okay. Good luck, men. We're off on the wild goose chase. We will be lost and jump to edge of the squadron Philadelphia.
We walk, and no matter where we roam, although my heart was the sky.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear.
But Barnacle's cattails do not advance. Being alerted to the spot is something they are most famous for.
Hello, Ducky.
Stand back, or I'll pick.
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm about to be goose.
What are you doing here?
I've come to take you back to the barn. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Well, of course I have. She sent me to fetch you.
Okay, Cat, I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of this duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I'm going to try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
Well, obviously, we will commence the maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want.
Okay, silence to the ranks.
Little joke, sir.
Yeah.
Maybe I can be the assistants. I'll go down to the marsh, and I'll let you know when they're done packing up for the day.
Very well, but I want no funny business. I know several ways to skin your time.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
I don't even know what that is.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
Before the coast is clear, they're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my 9 lives.
All right, men. Final check and Small Goose, come on. Come on, Small Goose. Here is a parachute for you.
For me?
Why, yes, you don't think I'm going to leave you here the duckling, do you? I know, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, Captain!
Wings on space, so don't delay.
Princess Bugs is going away.
It's time to fly. The cat lied. She said that she was my friend. She said that the people had put away their guns. Oh, Mama, what am I gonna do now?
And still no sign of the duckling, who, as you will remember from the photograph released at the time, has what can best be described as a rather unforgettable appearance. But our experts believe he may have already undergone certain changes and have put together a composite of what he may look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
Ida, if you're seeing this love, come home. The ducklings need you. They're not coping so well without you.
In a shocking turn of events, it would appear that Ida has now also gone missing. So once again, viewers, and our lovely studio audience, we are appealing to you. If you have any information, the number is coming up on your screen.
Letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one, it ain't right. I've spent weeks filling feasts, hearing Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. I'm depressed, round the nest, day and night.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I could totally fall right now.
Yeah, that'd be I don't know, honey.
But is she coming back?
I don't know, honey.
Will she find out?
I don't know! I don't know. Alright, kids. It's time to roost. Make sure you brush your beaks and don't use all the water. My bill's big enough. When Ida said she'd go, I had to let her. A shame because this apron suits her better. Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. And when you think you've seen the back of them, you find in actual fact you're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood, or if there is, it's something I just can't see. Yet I somehow hopes lived all of this, and on top of that, she puts up with me.
Daddy!
Oh, what now?
Help me! Oh, please help me! I'm caught!
Who are you?
I'm Penny. Please, do you think you can untangle me?
I can try. What are you?
A swan. Oh, mind you don't hurt yourself on that hook. No point in us both getting damaged.
A swan.
Typical me, my first migration, and what happens?
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather is setting in, and we're leaving today for the warm lands?
Oh, leaving.
You're a funny one. All these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Don't listen to them. It's just a stage we all have to go through. You should hear some of the things they called me before the molt.
Oh, how could anyone call you names?
Well, like I said, it's just a stage we all have to go through.
Oh, excuse me, could you lift your wing up?
My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing line people leave behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me when we were out swimming. Oh, there, just one more loop.
Oh, thank you! I thought I was going to be left behind, and this is no place to spend the winter alone. Where's your flock?
Oh, I don't know. I got separated from them, and the more I search for them, the further it seems I wander off.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring?
In the spring? You've been lost since the spring? Oh, you poor thing. You can't stay here through the winter. You'll freeze.
Oh, I'll be all right.
Penny, come with me. The others won't mind, and then next spring we'll return together, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Well, of course you could. Now come on, or we'll be late.
Oh, I'd love to. I'd really love to, but I can't fly. At least not well enough to stay up with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
Oh, it sounds wonderful. It really does. But I must keep searching for my mother. I'm sure she can't be far off by now. Oh, maybe when you come back in the spring, we can meet up again sometime.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
I'm sure.
Penny, come on, darling. We'll be late.
We don't like to leave you here like this, but goodbye. Thank you. I won't forget you. Honk!
Honk? I've seen butterflies on bluebells drinking in the dew. Cobwebs in the sunlight shining. I've seen them too. I've seen woodlands in the autumn, falling leaves of every shade and hue. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you.
I've seen waterfalls cascading, sparkling in the light. Damselflies that dance their dance from morning till night. I've seen rainbows reaching skyward, past beyond the clouds that fade from view. I thought I knew what
beautiful was, but now I've seen you.
I've seen you.
Oh, now I've seen you.
I've seen you.
Oh, now I've seen you. I bet she doesn't even remember me. I bet she doesn't even come back. Why would she want to have anything to do with me?
Whoops, pardon me.
Well, leave me alone.
Sorry, fellas, didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It kind of runs in the family, or jumps in the family.
What do you
depending on-
want?
Want?
You might as well get it off your chest. Go ahead and tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, don't you feel better now?
Oh, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Have a word with yourself, fellas. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see, I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. You know what your trouble is? You've been pruning yourself too much.
Well, what do you mean?
You've got yourself down in the mouth. Nothing. I'm getting nothing. Come on, fellas, give me a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now, that's just downright antisocial. Excuse me. I got a human in my throat. Well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I was once a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and someone's gonna come along and kiss me. And then I say, now get real with yourself, fellas, who wants to snag a frog? You know what your trouble is.
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. That's it. It's a question of taste. You mark my words, one day, ugly will end. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each jelly pad will pass. Then those who mark the season's look will have to go and ask their mother what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing. Just you wait and see. The day will come when you're in style, and then I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Or $10 out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna. Someone's gonna fall for you, though I may look a bit drastic. Trust me, I'm classic in my bond. If this old frog can go talking about a wake up call, 'cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Lords and all, tell 'em, kids.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where. Someone will care. They're gonna love you once more. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Just think, whenever you're roosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mix.
Soon you'll
see, fellas, and remember, one day it'll be us who are the flavor of the month. Whoops, what am I saying?
Goodbye. If you ever find yourself near the dockyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
All right, I'll see you, fellas. Remember, stay warm, stay cheerful. Ribbit, ribbit.
Well, what have we here? A nice, plump little duckling. Got you, my beauty.
Honk! Honk!
It's soon you no good struggling and honking like that. I've got a family to feed, and you'll make a fine Sunday roast.
Honk! Honk! Honk!
Now, where's my knife? Phew, it's colder than a penguin's picnic out here tonight. Darn, I must have left it in my car. Hello, Ducky. I see our macrame classes have paid off.
Oh, you again. How did you find me?
Oh, the little bird told me.
Oh, well, you're too late. I'm going to be eaten by the people.
What a shame.
Well, even if you'd help me, you'd only eat me yourself, right?
True.
Well, you're not going to get me. Oh no, he's coming back.
Look, I think I have what you would agree is a very tempting proposition. One that might just satisfy us, but
Well, I don't like oranges if that's part of the plan.
look, if you come with me, I'll take you back to the junkyard and you can see your mother for one last time.
Well, either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind.
All right, you're on.
And remember, no funny business. At least this way you get to see your mother again. Well, put the cream on that cornflakes. He's escaped.
The sun is cold and watery. The ponds are deeply frozen. All the times for drowning is not what we have chosen.
Well, are you sure you know your way back to the junkyard? We seem to be going around in circles.
Shut up! It's all this snow. It makes everything look the same.
The sky